Hi, I'm Ann from A&D Adventures on Timber Mountain. Here you see the septic bed that we are putting in. That is the sand that we have put in place for drainage. You'll see that we put rows of sand so that the filtration. There are little footprints in the sand of critters during the night testing out our septic bed for us. You see here an image of our good friend Frank, who is an inspector. He came to check out our work. We also have the bed field nice and level. You can see now the plans for the septic that we've got drafted up, showing where the tank is to where the septic field is. There are the pipes that we were laying out and gluing together. They're 4-inch septic pipelines, so they're perforated for drainage, and there are the 4-inch non-perforated pipes also going down the hill. You see there are 2 runs, and it was complete. Thank you for watching, and hope you subscribe.